Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow is first day of school in Canada. So this is my son's first lunch making of the year. He's entering grade 6. He's growing boy. He eats a lot. His school is from 8:30 to 3:30. By the time he takes subway home, so by the time he comes home it's gonna be after 4. So hopefully this is enough for him. Couple of snacks that will he could eat in between his recess. This is some interesting protein bar. He likes these fruit puree, apple. You can never go wrong with apple. This is some meat stick. Our home grown cucumber and tomato. This is a wow butter sandwich, and this is another wow butter sandwich. And this is a slice of leftover pizza. I'm not sure if it's too much food, but I'll just put it in there and see. He doesn't have to finish it all, but we'll see. He eats a lot of food, so I feel like that's good. And he'll get a bottle of water, and that's it. So hopefully he'll have a good day tomorrow. Bye.